So I'm going into the new RV. It's a 2010 Ford Sunseeker. And as you can see, they've done not a lot of decorating anything, but they've added some stuff. There's a couple of fans they installed. There's someone to look out over me while I'm sleeping. They did add a big screen TV, which is kind of sweet. It's on a swivel so that when I'm sitting out in the main space, I can watch TV. There's Stella. Hi, Stella. So as you can see, they've taken out the regular table and they put in a sofa, but when I renovate, I'll take the sofa out because that's not really practical for me. So my intention will be to paint these cupboards out, paint the walls, do some new fabric, just kind of jazz it up. But I wanted to get a little video of it before so that we could see a little before and after. So it's in really great shape, has all the necessaries, fridge and freezer. Again, I'm just panning back. Nice memory foam bed, cupboard space over the bed. Lots of windows at the back, which is nice, and the blinds all work, which is great. Bathroom looks to be in good shape. Has a little sliding shower door, but a nice shower head they've installed. Just a regular toilet. And then on this side is the bathroom sink and mirror and some more cabinet storage space here. I took some stickers off the wall already. This wall here was all covered in stickers, and you can see I've been peeling them off here as well. So I'll have to clean that space. Stella's already making herself at home while I video. And then I'll rejig this living space area, but the cockpit looks amazing. It's in really great shape for a 2010, it should be. And it started right up. I've got lots of snow outside, so it's been kind of parked in a snowbank, which makes me sad, but it's just because of the time of year that I've purchased it. So yeah, here's my little overview of my before I renovate. Say bye, Stella. You're so beautiful.